Ever walked into a room and smelled something musty, damp, and just off? That could be the first sign of black mold, a silent invader that can wreak havoc on your health and home. Stick around. In the next few minutes, we'll show you how to test for black mold quickly and effectively in just 5 minutes. Don't miss out. Your home and well-being might depend on it. So let's get straight to it. First, you'll need some basic supplies: a flashlight, a swab or a cotton ball, a small container with a lid, and some bleach. These are things you likely have at home already, making this process both easy and cost-effective. Now head to the area where you suspect mold is lurking. Common spots include basements, bathrooms, and areas with poor ventilation or previous water damage. Shine your flashlight on suspicious areas, looking for dark, greenish-black spots. Next, it's time to collect a sample. Using your swab or cotton ball, gently rub the surface where you see the mold. Be sure to wear gloves and a mask to protect yourself from inhaling mold spores, which can be harmful. Once you've got your sample, place it in the small container and seal it tightly. This helps to prevent any spores from spreading around your home, keeping the rest of your living space safe. Now, here's a quick and simple test you can do with household bleach. Mix a small amount of bleach with water, about 1 part bleach to 16 parts water. Dip your swab or cotton ball into the solution and then dab it on the moldy area. If the spot lightens quickly or fades away, it's likely black mold. If it doesn't change much, you might be dealing with a different type of mold or mildew. While this test is a great starting point, it's essential to remember that it's not a definitive diagnosis. For absolute certainty, especially if you have significant mold growth or health concerns, you might want to consider professional testing. Professionals use more sophisticated tools and methods to identify mold types and concentrations, ensuring you get a clear picture of what you're dealing with. While you're waiting for professional results, keep your home well ventilated to reduce moisture levels, as mold thrives in damp environments. Use dehumidifiers in particularly moist areas, fix any leaks immediately, and ensure that bathrooms and kitchens are well ventilated. These preventative measures can help control and even prevent mold growth in the future, making your home a safer place. As we wrap up this quick guide, remember that dealing with mold promptly can save you a lot of trouble down the road. Your health and home are worth the few minutes it takes to perform this simple test. And hey, if you found this video helpful, imagine how many others could benefit too. So, don't forget to like this video if you learned something new today. Share it with friends and family who might be facing similar issues. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or tips about dealing with mold.hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you won't miss out on our future tips and home care hacks. Thanks for watching.